Hello, so this is gonna be my first YouTube video. I want to make a DIY video for the VANS roller skates. As you can tell by the title of the video. First things first, I would recommend getting the Pro Classic VANS. Like that. It says Pro Classic on the tongue. It says Pro in red right there. And I remember I think it said Pro on the side or something like that. But yeah, the reason is you can pop the insole right out. I don't even know where I put the insoles are in here. Look, you don't even have to struggle with it. You just pop them out. The reason we have to pop them out is because we're gonna put some metal insoles in there, so that we can put, the trucks or the plate that you call it. I don't really know what this fuck is called. We put that inside the shoe, and it's gonna go underneath the shoe. And I'll put a link for everything in the description. But yeah, I'm using some old shoes because I don't really feel like buying new ones for this. I was gonna buy some new ones, but then I was like, here, I'll just use the rest of the life these have left in them to skate. And I'll buy some shoes and I can wear those shoes. And then once these are old and I can't skate these no more, I'll just switch those new ones into, well, they'll be old then, but I can just switch those into the, to start roller skating those. But yeah, get the Pro shoe because you can pop the insoles right out, and they are suede. Most of them are suede, I think. They're suede, and suede just lasts longer. They're just way better shoes than canvas. So yeah, that's that. So what you will need is a pair of shoes. They don't have to be Vans, but fuck it, I'm gonna use Vans. Go ahead and take the shoelaces off so that you have easy access to it. You're gonna need the metal insoles. I would recommend getting a size smaller so that they fit in your shoe easier. You'll need some wheels. I got I think they're called Radle, something like that. Energy Radle, something. These are outdoor wheels, so I plan on skating outside a little bit more. And I got the Bronson skate bearings. This shit adds up, so be aware of that. I like the orange. That's gonna go pretty good with the orange inside the wheels. So yeah, that's that. You're gonna need some hardware. I got these off of the same website that I got the plates in. These right here. I would even recommend getting a size bigger for your shoe, so that it's not, so it fits pretty good. Because once you got the metal insole in there, it might make it a little smaller, a little tighter. You're gonna need some bolts for the wheels, the trucks. Oh yeah, you're gonna need these right here. I got these off of Bont website. I think I got them from the Bont website. Anyways, I'm gonna put the links in the description. So yeah, you're gonna need 2 of these for the skates. I think that's pretty much it. And then the tools you'll be needing, I would say some clamps. I don't know what they're called, a C-clamp. That way you can hold the metal plate inside the shoe, put it in there right, clamp it to the bottom, and then you can drill the holes that you will be needing. I think you'll be needing 6 holes on each shoe, so you need a total of 12 bolts. Right now I only got 8, I think, so I'll probably just use 8 for now, and then I'll make a trip to Home Depot or Lowe's or something and buy the extra 4. You will be needing some drill bits. I'll tell you the exact size for the drill bit, but right now I got all these drill bits. Next is you're gonna need a drill, power tool, and I have another C-clamp over here. Oh, this clamp right here. It's a little easier. So yeah, that's what you're gonna be needing. Let's get started. So what we're gonna want to do is cut the holes on the bottom of the shoe and cut the holes into the metal base plates. So what we're gonna want to do is mark the middle part of the top of the shoe and the middle part of the bottom of the shoe, and just kind of how I got it already, with the Sharpie mark. Same thing on that side. this shoe, on this shoe. You're gonna want to find a Sharpie and go ahead and get that ready. You want to align the top of that to the line right there. Same thing with the bottom, but it's gonna be kind of towards the back. You have to scoot it towards the back, towards like that. If you can see, and it's gonna be the same way all the way up. But gotta get this aligned right. So it should look something like that. It's lined up with this side too. You're gonna get your marker and mark it in the hole on both sides. Four on the top and 2 at the bottom. Take the shoelaces out, and you're gonna want to take the insoles out. And like I said, with the Pro Classic Vans, you just pop them out like that. You won't have to waste any time trying to struggle with it. Take that out. Get the aluminum base plates, and you put them into the shoe, and watch how easy it is. Scoot that all the way up like that, and where should it go? Maybe you might need 2 hands for that. Yeah, once it's in, it's in. Same thing with the other shoe, all the way to the front, and then damn, it's just a little hard. Just imagine if I didn't get a size smaller. All right, well there's that. They're both in. Then you want to clamp them down with a C-clamp. So once you got the aluminum insoles clamped into the shoe, you're gonna want to find a, what is it, 3/16 drill bit. So once that's in to your power tool, this one sounds like shit. You want to start going ahead and drilling the holes. Alright, so once you drilled the holes in, you should see 4 holes on the top on each shoe and 2 holes at the bottom. Just depending on how your trucks look, I'm sure you could get some different ones, but here's the ones I got. I would say take the metal insoles out and go ahead and mark it up again, because the drill bit might have moved it a little bit. But yeah, there's the holes. So we're gonna wanna drill the holes into the aluminum soles so they go all the way through. Orange juice break. See, I got those done. So I would suggest doing that outside so you don't get any metal shavings inside your house or your carpet. But yeah, those are done. Now we got to put them inside our shoe again. So once you get the holes put into the aluminum insole and then the holes into the shoe, you grab your trucks and then you stick them in just like that to where the bolts stick out. And then you grab one of these right here and you put them in like that. I haven't screwed it in all the way, but I'll do that in just a second once I get this shoe ready. So yeah, you can go ahead and watch. It was a little harder than I thought it was gonna be, but you just gotta fight with it until you get it in there. So it's in the hole now, and then I just gotta push it in with this finger, with my thumb. But like I said, it's harder than I thought. So it's in now. I'm just gonna push it in. Damn, bitch. So just like that. Damn. Damn, just like that. Same thing with the other side. Hold it like that. Stick your hand in. Alright, so after fighting with this shit for a little bit, you see I got those two in. Then I got those two in on this side too. So it should be pretty easy to get the back ones in, screwed in, because all you have to do is stick a Phillips head in there, hold it down like that, while you screw this side in like this. Get it? So yeah, the back side's pretty simple, but then you can't really grab a hold of it with the Phillips head on the front side. So what I did was I got these and I stuck it in there like this, held into the head of the Phillips head screw like that, and then I started going like this. Alright, so I got that side in, but this side's giving me some trouble, so I'm gonna try to get that in right now. Alright, so we get the wheels out. Now we gotta put the bearings inside the wheels. Let's get started. So to get the bearings inside the wheels, it comes with bearing spacers also. So what you're gonna wanna do is get the bearing, put it inside, get the wheel, and squeeze it in just like this. It should click right into place, and then you can go ahead and put the bearing spacer in the bearing first, bearing spacer, put that in there like this from the other side, squeeze, and it should be in just like that. And you do that with all wheels. So here they are, all laced up and on my feet. I originally wanted some white wheels, but I think the blue looked nice. They didn't have any of the white ones in stock, so I ended up just going with these. Got the orange bearings, the Bronson bearings in there. I usually wear a size 10.5 or a size 11, but I don't know why I bought these in a size 10. They're still really comfortable though. I don't have no complaints. I just gotta get used to them now. But one thing, I've seen videos where they make a concave on the metal aluminum base plate, but I didn't have to because I just took the insole out and I put the insole on top of the screws, on top of the Phillips head things, and I don't even feel them. I thought I would feel them, but nope, they don't stick out or anything. Everything's nice and Nice and cozy, as it should. But yeah, that wraps it up.